Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 8 December 2020. Today is Tuesday and today is farmers protest. So I'm with the farmers. Go farmers. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So guys, today I'll do a short review on my brand new AMARON High Life Flow mid-size car battery. So if you want to know more about the product, stay tuned in the video. So guys, yesterday only I brought home my brand new AMARON-FLO battery from my local automotive store. I got the option to use the EXIDE mileage battery that was priced at around 3000 Indian rupee if you exchange your old car battery, but I opted for the AMARON-FLO battery because I have the experience of using AMARON-FLO battery in my car, and last time I used the battery in the year 2013 and it lasted me till 7 years. Till 2020 it got dead, and 2 times I checked recharging the battery and it's not working. One of the cell of that AMARON-FLO 2013 battery died, and because of that the car was not getting started up. So yesterday I brought home the new AMARON-FLO battery, and this is the packet of the battery packaging. The M.R.P which is mentioned on this battery, AMARON-FLO battery, is rupees 4635 or 4665, somewhat like that, because the label has been little bit tampered over here because of transportation. I'm not able to read that number correctly, but approx 4600 is the MRP of this AMARON-FLO battery, and the battery has been manufactured in the month of September 2020. And this one is really nice battery, and because the AMARON-FLO contains silver X technology, silver inside, this AMARON-FLO battery lasts a really long time on your vehicle without needing any maintenance like recharging or putting or topping up with distilled water. And I have the experience of using the battery, and that's why I recommend you to buy AMARON-FLO over the EXIDE. EXIDE is also good, but if you want really long performance of your vehicle, then AMARON is the one you should opt for. So thumbs up to AMARON-FLO. Let me read out some of the technical specification of this AMARON-FLO battery, which I have over here. The part number which is mentioned on the packet is 42B20L. The cold cranking ampere is 342. 342, which is really nice. And this is a 35 ampere battery, which goes very well with the mid-size cars like ALTO, Honda City, and many more. Most of the mid-size car use 35 ampere battery. And the warranty of the battery, earlier this AMARON-FLO comes with a 48 months warranty including the pro-rata warranty, and now they have increased the warranty months from 48 to 55. So earlier you get 2 years pro-rata and 2 years normal warranty, and now you get 30 months full warranty on the product, and after 30 months 25 additional months they are giving pro-rata warranty, so which is also very nice. So thumbs up to AMARON for that. There is also one higher version of this AMARON battery. It's called AMARON Pro. So most of the internals of the battery is same in the higher version and the Flow, only the warranty level is more on the AMARON Pro battery, Pro version of the battery. It's around 60 months. So I've opted for the AMARON-FLO because I have the experience, I've already told you. And this battery is really nice for your car. It lasts a really long time. So switch to AMARON and have a happy driving experience. Guys, I've already told you the MRP of the product which is mentioned on the packet is 4600 approx rupees, Indian rupees. So if you exchange your old car battery with the dealer, you get discount of somewhat around 600 rupee, plus he'll take around 3800 rupee for the battery after exchanging your old battery. So which is also really nice. Guys, I love to power up my car with AMARON-FLO batteries because it comes with silver inside, zero maintenance, 55 months warranty, and what else you want for a battery that lasts really long on your car? So switch to AMARON-FLO. AMARON lasts long, really long.
Let's go.
So guys, started my ALTO after a long time with a brand new AMARON-FLO 35 ampere battery, and yeah, time for a test ride. So let's go in an ALTO. Mag-aarap, ilan na?